Peace has a tone, a pace, a feel. Though we don't find it in the corners of the street, we still seek it. Seek it for it everywhere, and without us realizing, it sets us on a journey. And this time, it was to the backwaters of God's own country, Alapura. Ruptured by centuries' devastating deluge, it was an awe-inspiring moment to make us feel that nature still has that ever glow. A journey to experience something new, to replenish your five senses. A sight to wonder. A feel of slight breeze, humming of nature, smell of air, and taste of exotics. It all brings life again, and life becomes an adventure, which later becomes memories of peace. Alapura still stands tall as a sight to behold. In the new walks of life, we forget what is to be with nature. Then all of a sudden, the sun leads the way, and the wind becomes the storyteller. Miles and meters never count, surrounded with a lush of greenery, flaps of birds, and tides of serenity. Time becomes the truth, and drops of water becomes nectar of life.